Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, 9/7/2020. We have first period. We shall start with quadratic equations again. Exercise 4.3. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation if they exist by completing the square method. This method is quite interesting. 2x square minus 7x plus 3. First step. Remove 2 or remove the coefficient which is present with x square at any cost. So I have divided the whole equation by 2. Divide the whole equation by 2 because I have to empty x square. I don't want any coefficient on x square. It should be 1 only. 2 by 2 cancel, minus 7x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Got it? I brought this 3 to this side. Please understand the method very carefully. First of all, you just have to make 1, the coefficient of x square is 1. Bring this to this side, the constant term. Got it? Now, this is the very crucial or very drastic method, you can say. What do you have to do? You have to add the square of the coefficient of x and multiply it with half, and you have to add it to both the side. Again, multiply the coefficient of x with half. Multiply the coefficient of x with half. 7 by 2 into 1 by 2. And just square it. And add this to both the sides. It will become 7 upon 4. 7 by 4 ka square is equal to 7 by 4 ka square. Those side I have to add it. Add on both the sides. Now, what it will become? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Short form is a minus b ka whole square. Got it? You just solve it. After solving it will become 25 upon 16. Square will go on it. It will become 25 upon 16. But it comes in under root. Because the square is shifted to this side and it will become under root. X minus 7 by 4 plus minus 5 by 4. Remember, when you are removing under root, it will change into plus and minus. Always. Minus 7 by 4 will shift to this side, plus 7 by 4. Now, one time you have to take it as positive, one time you have to take it as negative. 7 by 4 plus 5 by 4. 4 is common. 7 plus 5, 12 by 4, 3. Same manner, 1 by 2. Second and third part you have to do it as homework. Fourth part I am doing it for you. Same manner, the question is 2x square plus x plus 4. Just divide the whole equation by 2 because I have to empty or I have to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So it will become x square plus x by 2 is equal to, it was 4 but 4 by 2 is 2. It is minus 2 now. Again, coefficient of x is 1 upon 2 multiplied by half. That will become 1 upon 4. Add this 1 upon 4 square to both the side. I have done the same. 1 by 4 square both the side. It will become x plus 1 by 4. You have to see this sign. Now it is plus, so it will become x plus 1 by 4 ka square. It was minus. It had become x minus 1 by 4 ka square. Got it? Again I have solved it. It has come minus 31 upon 16. That means answer is coming in negative. If you will bring this to, that is, if you bring this square on it as under root, it will change into imaginary number. It will change into imaginary number which is not in your syllabus right now. But in class 11th you will be studying about imaginary numbers. The value of I. However, the square of a number can't be negative. Therefore, there is no real root of the given data. We will not going to solve it further. The next topic is quadratic formula. The first topic which we have studied is completing the square method. The second topic is quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This whole is as a formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We have to find the roots of the formula. 2x square minus 7x plus 3. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. Formula is here. Put the values a, b, c. Minus 7, minus sign is always with b. Plus under root minus 7 का square minus 4ac, 4 into 2 into 3. Minus minus plus, plus minus under root 49 minus 25, 25. 7 plus 5, under root 25 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. One time negative positive, one time negative. The answers are same. We have solved this question by completing the square method also. We are solving by quadratic formula also. Answers will remain same. Got it? Do the remaining parts. Find the roots of the following equation. Question number 3. Congratulations to everyone, or you. It should not be a congratulations also. Word problems are deleted from this chapter. There is no need of doing the word problems now. They are no more a part of this chapter now. So from exercise 4.3, only 3 questions are there which we have to do. See the third one. First part, find the root of the following equation. We have taken LCM as x. X square minus 1 is equal to 3. This will go this side. X square minus 1 is equal to 3x. 3x will come this side. The equation is formed. Apply the quadratic formula. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3 and C is equal to minus 1. Further solve it. Got it? You can apply split in the middle term also. No issues. Second part. Quite interesting and important part. Multiply both of them. Multiplied. This by this. This by this. This by this. Sign is negative. I've told you this concept earlier also. 11 upon 30. Open the brackets. X minus 7 minus x minus 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 plus minus. X get cancelled out. Minus 7 minus 4 minus 11. This 11 will cancel out with this 11. It will become minus 1. Minus 1 upon same cross multiplied. Now multiply the brackets. You know how to multiply the brackets. X minus 7 plus 4 x minus 7. Multiplied the brackets. Solved. Bring this 30 to this side, plus 30 will be there. Equation is x square minus 3x plus 2. They have directly used split in the middle term, that is 3. We can write it as 2 plus 1. 2 ones are 2 also. Solved it and we have got the answer. Do these 3 questions only in your notebook. We'll be not having any further questions. We don't have to do any further questions. Okay. God bless you all of you.